Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So what are we going to discuss about in this video? In this video, we are going to discuss about the Incoterm. Okay, Incoterm are the rules created by the International Chamber of Commerce while trading. Which means while selling and purchasing of the items, we have to follow certain rules and regulations all around the world. So do you know what do they do? Yes, Incoterms, while used in between a sales and purchase of a commodity, they basically reduces the risk and cost. Okay. And also there will be some transportation obligation which is between the buyers and users. That can also be reduced by using the Incoterms. Incoterm can also cover up things like the ones who are in charge of export-import paperwork and duties, and also the ones who pay bill for the transportation. Okay, other than that, these Incoterms also define the exact point where these responsibilities and risk pass from the sellers and the buyers. Okay. And is there something what they don't do? Yeah, they do not set payment terms for the goods who owns them. Also, they do not set insurance either. Okay, now let's go through the commonly used Incoterms. Basically, there are 11 Incoterms which is defined. And in this video, we'll be talking about 4 commonly used Incoterms. So the first one is FCA and secondly, we have FOB. What are the others? CIF and TDP. And we can also customize the Incoterms according to our rules and regulations of trading. So, okay, now let's move on to the 4 commonly used Incoterms. The first Incoterm is FCA, which stands for free carrier. This FCA can be basically used in all forms of transport. So, what happens is that the seller can actually sell this or deliver these products from his own premises or some agreed locations. And once the products or the goods are loaded, the whole responsibility goes for the buyers. So, what's the next one? FOB. Okay. FOB stands for free on board. This is applied on seas or inland waterways. Okay. Which means that the seller will be responsible for, onboarding the items. So once the onboarding is done, then whole responsibility will be carried by the buyer in the rest of the journey. Okay. Next, we have CIF, which is cost, insurance and freight. So basically, this is used in terms of transportation, which happens in sea and inland waterways. And here the difference is that the whole responsibility will be taken by the seller until the product reaches the hands of the buyers. That is, once the product is, transported through sea, until it arrives the hands of the buyer, the seller should take the whole responsibility, and also he should insure the products. Once the products reaches the hands of the buyers, then the responsibility will be taken by him. Okay, so that's CIF. What is the final one? DDP. DDP stands for delivery duty paid, and it applies on all forms of transport. In this case, the seller will be responsible for loading, shipping and unloading of all custom duties and delivering them to the buyer's destination. So that's all about the Incoterms, which means the commonly used Incoterms. So hope this concept is clear for you. So that's all we have about the Incoterms in this video. I hope it's clear for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.